Regarding preparations, we have prevented them meeting with relatives and all. And anyone who wants to contact the relatives have been allowed to do so through mobile or through telephone. And second thing, regarding vaccination, we have written to the government, and so that they'll take up with the health department, and we have suggested to get all the inmates vaccinated.
Just now I have finished the meeting with the IG prisons. I've called him here specifically for to make vaccination to all the inmates. Because this is a very vulnerable place, otherwise it might be spiked from there also, since it is very vulnerable area. I have told just now only, we just finished our meeting, so definitely they're going to take off immediately. They will be taken up with our department, only health department, with the concerned officer or the magistrate in charge of that area.
Okay.
All the jail work will start from Shillong now. Also, we have discussed, because the government, we are planning to build the central jail. Unless we have not built the new jail of Nongstoy not completed, then the entire inmates from the other district like the Southwest Kasil, from West Kasil, all you have to be kept here in the Shillong jail only.